Hello everybody, thank you for pressing play on today's video. My name is Charlene Luciano and I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin Up. I have a fabulous little project to share with you guys today. This is called a Turkish map fold and it's super cute. You open it up and it just pops out at you. So I'm going to show you how we made this. For the base of this, I'm using the Night of Navy. This piece is cut at 2 inches by 6 inches. For the Designer Series paper, I'm using the Eastern Palace Specialty Designer Series paper, and this is cut at 1 7/8 by 2 1/4. So I'm going to bring in my Simply Scored scoring board. And this is what it's going to look like. Now I will have this over on my website and all the instructions for today's project at www.stampwithshar.com. So before you get started, this Whisper White piece is 4 by 4, and you always want to do your stamping first before you start scoring the paper. So I've got some Bermuda Bay. I have the Daisy Delight stamp set. And I am going to stamp this flower in the corner. And you can write your little note and say what you want to say. I have the Simply Scored scoring board. Now at the 6 inches, I drew a line with a Sharpie pen, and I did that for a reason. For when you go and score diagonal lines, it just helps you go from one point to the other. So that's why I did that. Stampin' Up! We used to have a diagonal plate, but they retired that. So I'm going to show you how we do the scoring. So at the 6 inches, you're going to line it up from point to point. Now remember, this is a 4 inch by 4 inch square. And you're going to score. You're going to rotate it to the opposite way. And you're going to score. So right now I scored across. Then you're going to flip it. And you're going to score it at 2 inches, like so. And then what you're going to do is you're going to score it at the 1 inch and at the 3 inch, but only to that diagonal line. So you're going to score it at 1 inch, and you're going to stop at that diagonal line. Then you're going to score it again at 3 inch, again stopping at that diagonal line. And you're just going to rotate that and do it around all 4 sides at the 1 inch and at the 3 inch, making sure you stop at that diagonal line. And that's what's going to give you these corner pieces. You're going to rotate it and you're going to go 1 inch and 3 inch. 1 inch and 3 inch, and that's going to give you your score marks. So for this piece, the Night of Navy, I'm just going to score that in half, and I'm going to score that at 3 inches while I have my scoreboard out. I have the scallop tag topper punch, and you're going to slide this piece in. and you're going to punch it on either side like so. I got my multi-purpose liquid glue. And this is just going to go on the front. Oops. So to fold this, you're going to fold it point to point. You're going to fold it the opposite way, point to point. Fold it in half, like so. Then you're going to fold it like so, like a paper aeroplane. And then in the corners where that score line is, you're just going to fold these back and just enforce the score lines that is there. You're just going to fold it. And then what you want to do is you're going to pinch these pieces in. Okay, so let's do this. Can't see all my score lines myself. Alright, so all these little square pieces, you are going to enforce them. Okay, so my goodness, am I having a tough time or what? There we go. Okay, there we go. All right, so once you go like that, these pieces are going to pop in like so. So when you go and you open it, it's going to pop out at you. So what you want to do now is you want to add your glue on the back of these pieces. And when you put it in, you just want to make sure it's, when it opens, you don't do it upside down, because I did that too. You want to stick that in like so. You want to close that up. Give it a minute to just dry, because this is Tombow. Oh, my aching back. See? See what I say when I say you want to check it and make sure you have it the right way, because yeah. I glued it the wrong way. Always when I'm on camera. Alright, so good thing I checked before the glue dried. Alright. There we go. I have the, what is this? This is the lemon lime twist ribbon. I'm just going to cut off a piece. I am going to, I got glue on my fingers. I am going to feed this through like so. And there you have it, you guys. Super cute little pop-up note for a friend. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe. I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Thank you for stopping by. Take care.